Hey guys, Kurt here from Property Revolution. Just want to take a minute to show how to use our roof estimate tool on our website. We're really excited about this. This tool gives people the ability to go to our website, get a roof estimate within just a couple of minutes. So if you're a realtor and you have a transaction that's taking place and you need an estimate for negotiations, kind of considering a roof farther down the road, or you want to get an idea of what a roof costs without having a salesperson come to your home, we have a tool where you can do that right on our website in a matter of just a few minutes. So we're going to take a look here and show how that works. So the first thing you're going to do is go to our website, which is www.mypropertyrevolution.com. And you're going to see this slide out here. That will pop up. And so as a demo, we're going to use this address, which is right across the street from our shop. It's 912 East Allegan Street, Martin, Michigan. So you would type in your address here, and you're going to see that it's going to highlight the buildings that are on the property. Sometimes these highlights don't line up exactly. So what you want to do is click Edit the Roofs, and you can click and move these shapes. So to move the shape, you simply click in the box and you can move it around. You really want to make sure that the corners of the shaded area line up with the corners of the building. And if you need to move a corner, simply click the corner icon there and you can move this shape around. So again, you want to make sure this is really close. I know on the map sometimes the images are a little bit funny, but you want to just really do your best. Make sure this is lined up and makes sense. And again, this is an estimate, so it's going to get you really close, and we can always have someone come out and confirm the dimensions when you're ready to move forward. So if you've made an adjustment to your roof shape, click Save Changes. The biggest thing that you're going to want to do is take a look at the pitch of your roof. So if your roof is steep, you're going to want to click steep. So if it looks something like that, this roof is kind of a medium pitch. So we're going to go with the medium. And then the garage roof here, which is the second roof, is a shallow pitch. So we have the shallow pitch selected. And so then after that, you click See My Price. You're going to enter your information. So I'm going to enter my name, test, put in our office phone number here, 672-4317, and then an email address. And just verify that you're not a robot. Then click Show Me My Price. And the tool is going to spit out several options. We've got a good, better, and best. So our good option is the Atlas ProLam, which is a good shingle. It's considered like a builder's grade. It's got a 10-year non-prorated warranty, 130 mile an hour wind rating, a few color options. If you click See Installation Package Details, you'll see everything that's included here. For our better option, this is what we install 85% of the time. Most homeowners are really comfortable with this package. The Atlas Pristine shingles come with a lifetime algae protection from Scotchgard. Includes removal and disposal of one layer of existing shingles, 2 rows of ice and water shield along the eaves, underlayments, everything that we need to do a standard installation. There are a few things that aren't included. If your roof is more than 2 stories high, if there's additional layers of existing roofing, decking requirements. So again, this is a tool to give you an estimate. And then what we would do is send someone out after your estimate is produced and verify all the dimensions and if any of these additional items are required. So you'll see that there's a little bit of difference in price between the good, better, and the best. And then this best option is Atlas StormMaster Shake. These are class 4 impact resistance. We can get into the information on those in another video, but again, you've got everything that's included here with your color options. So if you're interested in a roof, you need an estimate for repairs for a real estate transaction, curious what your roof might cost if you're thinking that it might be replaced in the near future, this tool is super cool, super fast, takes just a few minutes. And if you have any questions, you're welcome to give us a call. Our direct office line is that 269-672-4317. You're also always welcome to text or call 616-315-2777 anytime. Thank you guys. Take care.